Greetings, welcome back to Signature Scents. My name is Ryan and today we're going to be doing a first impressions video. I have 3 different scents that are coming in. I have no idea which one I'm going to be opening first. I'm going to go for the white box and then I'm going to check back in and I'll let you know what we're going to be looking at today. Okay, so let's get this open and see what we got going on here. Okay, we have Bogart by Jaques Bogart, and this is a modern formulation, and I'm going to open this box up and see what this is about. So here it is, Jaques Bogart, 3 fluid ounces, made in Paris, EDT. Now this one I believe is supposed to be an aromatic fougere. I'm gonna have to do a little research. I'll do a full review video on this. This is gonna be just my initial reactions to see what it smells like. I actually ordered this one totally blind. I didn't do too much research on it. This one really jumped out to me and it was like, buy me, and it was sort of an impulse purchase, but I had a really good feeling about it, so I'm very, very excited to give this a shot. So I have a little tester here. See if you get the atomizer on here. Oh, this is very nice. This is wow, is that nice, boy. Okay, this off the top, without looking at, I have no idea what the note breakdown is. My first reaction is this is sort of a soapy fougere smell. Very, very pleasant. I'm not a perfume expert or anything, but there's definitely some of that. It's very reminiscent of a classic fougere formula. It's a little bright, a little soapy, very, very pleasant. I'm looking forward to giving this a nice test run on the skin. In fact, I may go ahead and spray a little bit on the skin as well to see what it's like. Okay, that's a lot different on the skin. Way different on the skin. On the skin, I'm getting, my skin's projecting it instantaneously different than it is off the paper. The paper for me is more lighter and fresher and a little bit more brighter. On the skin, for me, not hugely surprising, is a little darker. My skin, I have very, I think, dark pheromones. My natural pheromones are kind of smoky. And in fact, the Polo Green, that tobacco scent out of Polo Green, that smoky tobacco scent, is actually what my pheromones smell like. Very, very close to. So I'm projecting this now to be much greener on the skin. Very, very nice, very, very pleasant. I'm going to go ahead and spend some time wearing this, and I will do a full review video on the Jaques Bogart. Now, immediately what comes to my mind is, if you watch my past videos, I'm very, very much into the vintage formulations. I've noticed that the modern ones, while they smell very good, once you smell the originals, it's kind of like smelling these in a whole new way. They're much more rich, they're much more quality and bold and blended smoothly. This one, I can already tell you, I can already vision the vintage formulation of this to be much, much deeper. It does have a chemically, I don't want to say synthetic. It is synthetic, but it's very nice synthetic. It's definitely a classic formulation. It's not harsh or off-putting. It does smell like it's going to last a while, though. It does smell like it's going to be a decent performer. It's not a huge projection, although that was one spray. Honestly, I think this, if you spray this a couple times or a few times, I'm going to assume this is going to pop off the skin for a bit. So I think I'm going to end it here. I don't have incredible breakdowns or anything like that. This is just my initial reaction to this stuff. Very, very nice, very soapy, very clean, very fougere, and in a very, very good way. It's not harsh or chemically. It's something that I can already tell you that I very much like. This for me is a very nice daytime scent, one that I would consider wearing for the day. This is like an after your shower, you put this on and you feel like that soapiness. It's a soapy, but there's a lot of greenness to it as well. There is a nice green undertone with the soapiness kind of on top. Actually, I think I might say that all around. I think the soapiness is more kind of the heart and the greenness is kind of more of the peripheral. Okay, so I think I'm going to end it here. Jaques Bogart, look for a full review. Make sure to hit subscribe to get that review. And like I said, I have several others coming in. I have Taylor of Old Bond Street, if I'm saying that correct, the Sandalwood, and I believe I also, this might be the PS Fine Sebastian. So I'm going to go ahead and do a reaction to this video, a reaction video to this as well, and also we'll be having full reviews on all those. So make sure to subscribe and check those out. And if you've smelled this stuff already, leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are. What's some of the unique things you've learned about it, including any of its history and stuff like that. I would love to hear from you, so leave a comment below. Okay, as always, make sure to waft kindness to others. God bless.